Imagine waking up every day knowing you've earned $100 or more while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2024, this dream is more achievable than ever. Welcome to Wealthify Hub. Today, I'm going to walk you through updated realistic strategies to generate $100 a day through passive income streams. These are tried, tested, and tailored for today's economy. First, let's clarify what passive income really means. It's not get rich quick. Instead, it's about investing time or money up front to create systems that generate income over time. Think rental properties, digital products, or even dividend stocks. Yes, it requires effort initially, but the results can be life-changing. Fresh ideas for 2024. 1. Monetize with AI tools. AI is revolutionizing passive income. Use tools like ChatGPT to create ebooks, online courses, or even blog content. Once created, these assets can sell 24/7 on platforms like Amazon or Teachable. 2. Crypto staking and yield farming. Cryptocurrency isn't just about trading. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance let you stake crypto assets, earning rewards simply by holding them. It's like earning interest, but with higher returns. 3. Print-on-demand products. Design a t-shirt or mug using Canva, upload it to sites like Redbubble or Printful, and let them handle manufacturing and shipping. All you do is earn royalties. 4. Niche websites. Create a small, content-focused website around a specific niche, say organic gardening or drone photography. Monetize with ads or affiliate links using platforms like Google AdSense or Amazon affiliates. 5. Stock photography or video. If you've got a camera, start uploading your photos and clips to platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. These can bring in passive income for years. Let's bust some myths. Passive income is not 100% hands-off. Whether you're managing rental properties or running a YouTube channel, you'll need to put in some work. It's also important to diversify your streams. Don't rely on just one method. Actionable steps to start. Choose your method. Start with one idea that aligns with your skills and interests. Set a timeline. Dedicate 1 to 3 months to set it up. Invest smartly. Whether it's time or money, be strategic. Automate. Use tools like Zapier to save time. Scale. Once the system works, expand it to increase earnings. There you have it, your guide to making $100 per day in 2024. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe,